Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to use a VPN on any iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Then simply go to the search address bar on your settings. Then type down VPN on it and tap on the first option available. Then after you tap on it, you'll be navigated to General. Then scroll down till you find VPN and Device Management. After you tap on the VPN and device management, tap on the VPN. It shows it's not connected. Now you will have to verify your connection here. If you have any manual VPN or any personal VPN, then you will have to fill out all this form shown here and simply tap on the done option and you will get your VPN in your iPhone. But if you don't have any of these available, then you can download a VPN through your app store as well. So go to the app store and inside the app store search in the address bar VPN. Then you will get to see bunch of options available there. Some of them are paid, some of them are unpaid, and choose any of them as your preferences. So let's choose the first one for now. Now let's download this and let's wait for a while. So after the download completes, tap on the open option available there. After you open the VPN, the terms and conditions or some that will appear on the screen. Simply continue with the process. Now all you have to do is tap on the allow option or ask app not to track and simply tap on the power button shown there, and the VPN is connecting to any available network. Tap on the allow option and it will ask for your iPhone passcode. Write down your iPhone passcode here. Then after that it will connect you to the nearest server, and here it is. You are now finally connected through VPN. You should see a VPN icon in the status bar at the top of your iPhone screen. This indicates that internet connection is now encrypted and routed through the VPN server. So by following these steps, you can use a VPN on your iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.